Hello guys, I am Keviradhyaru. Welcome to Dream Developers. Today we are going to see when expression in Kotlin. If you have not seen the previous video, then simply check out our Kotlin programming series. So let's begin. When expression is a conditional expression which returns the value. When expression is a replacement of switch case. So when expression works as a switch statement of other languages like Java and C++. So let's move to our IntelliJ IDE and see the demo program of when expression. So in this example, we will design simple calculator and we will also learn how to take an input from user. So well a equal to 12 and b equal to, so let's tell the user enter operator plus minus multiplication or division. Now we have to take the operator in one variable. So well op equal to readline. Readline function simply take the input from user. Now well result equal to when, so in this bracket we have to specify the case. So here I am specifying op, then let's design the condition. If user enter plus operator, then we have to perform addition task. Similar to that, if user enter subtraction, then we will do a minus b. Similar to that, we will design our all case. Now if user enter something else, then we will show the message that invalid input. Now let's print the result variable and see the output. So let's run our code. So here I am entering plus operator. So answer is 17. It performed the addition operation. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.